Today's a really big day. Today, we're gonna raise the roof. We're gonna jack up the Kendrick Garage. See how it goes.
Fix the roof line.
Yeah. So we're here in the office. There's actually an old beam here that was cut. And when we moved the counter, we could see that that was where it used to go. That little square right there. And the reason we want to fix this is we were looking at pictures from the 30s.
Yep.
And it showed the beam, and then they cut it out.
It was there in the 20s and gone in the 30s. 1930s.
So they must have wanted some extra room in here. But the issue with that is we got some sags going on. Lead the way, Lena. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. So if you look at our pretty little windows here, you can see that right about over the office, there's a pretty big wow.
Little droop.
Little droop. So we're gonna put another beam in there because I feel like it was doing something.
It's gotten saggy in its old age.
That's not very nice.
Oh.
It's just age.
Oh.
We're just gonna. It's natural.
We're gonna raise it up a couple inches and put a post back in, and hopefully it'll help the window line.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll make it more structural long term.
Yeah.
Make it live another 100 years.
And we gotta do the same thing at that end.
Oh, yeah. So if you look. Oh, yeah. You can kind of see how the ends sunk down. So we have another one to do back there. But this is gonna be our practice.
Yeah.
So. Hello. Wow, your eyelashes are so clear. Okay, let's do this.
Some of us have to work.
Ready? Tell me what we gotta do first. What we gotta do.
Well, it's cut like half an inch or an inch out of square. They weren't worried about that when they cut it out. It's gonna take approximately 3 hours.
But it'll be nice and straight. Thanks, Austin, for the really sharp saw. She's willing to help.
She would.
I know. She would so help.
You could just bite onto it.
Just have like a two-handed saw.
Yeah, we got one right there.
Ooh, yeah, you guys could use that one. Lena will grab onto that end, and you can grab the other end. Okay, we're on to plan B.
Power tools. It has only one speed. Maximum.
That's the old super dense stuff. It's taken forever. Whoa! Woohoo! Progress! Nice job, babe. Them Sawzall muscles.
3 hours later.
Beam circa 1915 when it was built.
Yeah.
It's one of the originals. Okay, so here's the plan. Or this is what we think might work. There's actually a gap in between these cross beams and the main rafter that we need to lift up. So we really can't lift off of those. We just need to lift up the truss that runs this way, which is what that post is tied into that truss. So, and the ceiling's totally separate, so we don't need to lift the ceiling. So the grand plan is to take these two 4x6s and we're going to lift in 2 spots using the 2 lifts. So we're thinking if we put one 4x6 here, straddling that truss, and one here, then we can lift in 2 spots on either side of that post. Right? At least we're gonna try. I don't know. We're new. What do you think, Lena? She looks concerned. Got the two 20-ton jacks. That's a 12-ton, 20-ton. Rig to push up on the truss. And then we'll figure out the ceiling later, but the most important part is just to get that truss back up where it needs to be. Are you ready?
Yeah.
How far do we have to go? 3
Couple
inches?
inches, 2-3 inches.
All right, so we did a plumb bob up from the top beam where they chopped it off down to here to figure out where we want the bracket. So now Nick's gonna drill out, put a bracket for the concrete anchor. Nice gun. Yay! Okay.
Nice job. We have
I did something.
we have a bracket.
You ready to look garage?
Yeah.
We're almost at an inch.
Inch and a half. We're halfway there.
I don't like that. Oh, I'm at 2 inches.
110 and an 8.
What are we
We got 3/4 of an inch to go.
Whoa!
Small creeks.
I don't like it. Okay, I only have like 3/16 to go.
I've got an 1/8 of an inch, so if we go like an 1/8 of an inch more than that, it'll be easier for us to get the bolt in.
Yep, I'm about there. Woo! We just looked at our first garage. That was super nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. We heard a lot of creaks and a lot of movement, but I think we're there. Now we're even from the middle where we lifted all the way to the end of that room. So that's amazing. That's so exciting. Let's get that beam put in. Sir, any
What?
comments after your first garage lift? How are you feeling right now?
Just glad we haven't had to use any insurance yet.
Oh my gosh. That's exciting. We've never done that before.
Yeah.
Hey!
We need to get it more parallel.
Whoa!
Tap it in.
How's your other side? Ready?
Yeah.
On 2. Oh.
Nice.
Jeez. Some hard wood. Am I thinking on the middle too?
That's what she said.
Shh. That's inappropriate, Nick.
I coughed. What did you hear?